Hello, today I will be showing you the best settings for Badlion client and on Hypixel for PvP. So I will begin by here. So we want to keep this off 1.8.9. Now you want to click here, go settings. You can do this, show what Minecraft server I'm playing on Discord if you want to be extra tryhard. And this you want to keep it at least at half of your RAM. That's what I do always. You shouldn't be bothered about that. That's just the path. And I keep 1920 by 1080 because that's my screen. You want to do your screen as well, and I just keep this forever. So now let's start Badlion client. Okay, so we have a lot of things here. So I'll just start with the options from the main screen. So I keep my FOV at 90, but you can do it a bit more. I find at 90 to be really good, but you could push it out, put it 95. I think that's pretty good. We don't bother with these music and sounds. I leave those. Video settings, I put this fancy. You can put it fast as well, and I keep it at 12. I keep the smooth lighting, and I keep it 120. So I don't bother with these. I keep the clouds off for performance. I leave particles all on. I keep full screen on, and VSync I keep it off because I have G-Sync. So you can put it on if you don't have G-Sync. This I keep it 4. I keep on, off, and on. So now let's go to language. I leave language. Resource packs, I don't use any resource packs. So you can use your own, but I think Minecraft is pretty clean by itself. So these, I leave it on, but you can turn it off. These, I'll leave them off. Broadcast settings, same. Controls, well, I just have my sprinting button on, what's it called? The left shift, I think. Wait, sorry, not left shift. Control, I have it on control. Sorry, tab. Tab, that's what it is. So, yeah, basically, I don't think I can find it anywhere right now. Yep, here. Sprint tab, because it's more comfortable for me. Chat settings, I keep it on. And I usually reduce its height because it's annoying sometimes. So you can do that as well. Here you can see. So snooper settings, I leave it off. Now let's get into Hypixel. Now we're in Hypixel. Let's press right shift on your keyboard. I'm gonna pop this thing on. So I leave animations on because it's the 1.7.10 weapon animations. Auto GG because I'm being nice. I want to PGG all the time. Auto tip on. I also do leave the chat on as well. Enchant glint. I mean, I leave it on full brightness, of course, because it just lights up. As you can see, you see the difference over there. When you full brightness, it's easier to see. Hitboxes. By the way, these hitboxes are allowed on Hypixel. As you can see, there's a hitbox, but if I go behind the tree, I can't see him. You can't see his hitbox, so that's allowed on Hypixel, just so you know, guys. And usually this is disabled because you can't use it. And I usually leave everything else as it is. Scoreboard, timers, all of that. Toggle sprint, I don't use it, but you can use it. You just have to go here and put it to simple. I think that's how it's called. Whatever, you can find it out. Basically, you have to put simple, and you want to toggle a sprint key. So when you press it, you're going to be sprinting the whole time. But I keep it off, sorry. So now if we go here, that's about it with my settings. Listen, so if you have graphic issues, then you can manually disable all of these, or you can use the more FPS, I think it's called, from the launcher. So yeah, so basically that's my settings. I find them really nice because I can just run in PvP really well. As you can see, 95, it's where it gets a bit annoying when you move a lot, but I mean the FOV. But right now it's good, I think. So yeah, that's about it. I wanted to keep it short, so please leave a like. It does help me out. And if you want more content like this, feel free to subscribe. So that's about it. Yep.